we would like to give an update as to the impeachment proceeding. So, as we all know, ongoing ang ating marking of exhibits. And as a matter of fact, we are on day 3. I wish to share that indeed the documents for confidential fund is really voluminous. As a matter of fact, the prosecutors have expressed their uncertainties as to whether the marking will be finished by Thursday. And that is why we reached out already to Secretary Bantug through Secretary General Sheloy Grafil, whether there are other measures which may be considered to be able to expedite more the process of marking the exhibits. We understand that the position of the prosecution is to push through with the original timeline, which is likewise pronounced by Section Bantug during our PTC, and that is on July 6. And that is why we are really reaching out to Senate Secretary to consider additional measures. No? Right now, there are 4 teams who are facilitating the marking of exhibits. 1 is assigned for unexplained wealth, and the 3 other teams are all assigned to confidential fund. Regardless of having 4 teams, the private prosecutors, including the public prosecutors who are monitoring, have expressed already their uncertainties about the possibility of finishing until Thursday. And that is why we are soliciting for additional measures kung paano mas bibilis pa and hopefully matapos tayo within this week.